Is it time for some coding? Well, almost. First, let's discuss the packages we are going to use. And yes, you can skip this lecture if you've already installed them on your computer. As you have some experience with Python already, I will go very quickly through the libraries. We will be using NumPy, Pandas, SciPy, StatsModels, Matplotlib, Seaborn, and scikit-learn. If you are using Anaconda, then the easiest way to check what you already have is the following. Open Anaconda prompt. I'll just find it in my Start menu. Write conda list and hit Enter. You should get a list of all packages installed in the current environment. As you can see, these are the packages I have installed. Matplotlib, NumPy, Pandas, SciPy, StatsModels, Seaborn, and scikit-learn. Cool. If you are missing something, just write conda install and the name of the package, or pip install and the name of the package. For instance, if you don't have Seaborn, just write conda install Seaborn in the Anaconda prompt and wait for the installation to finish. All right, now that that's out of the way, let's do a quick overview of why we need the packages. Everyone who uses Python for scientific computing uses NumPy, a third-party package allowing us to work with multidimensional arrays. They represent a powerful way to organize and process data. Because of that, NumPy is a fundamental library for those who attempt to manipulate larger chunks of information. Pandas is a package that enhances NumPy even further. It allows us to organize data in a tabular form and to attach descriptive labels to the rows and the columns of the table, not just numbers, as it is with NumPy. In addition, Pandas is endowed with a broad gamma of tools facilitating our work with various data formats and missing data. Therefore, if you want to do data science with Python, Pandas is an essential package you will need. When your calculations are ready, it is vital to know how to present the results obtained in a graph. Matplotlib is a two-dimensional plotting library specially designed for visualization of NumPy computations. In addition, it contains a large set of tools that can help you adjust a graph to your liking. NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib are part of the larger SciPy group of libraries. We will not delve into its peculiarities, but to put it briefly, SciPy is a Python ecosystem containing a lot of tools for scientific calculations, suitable for the fields of mathematics, machine learning, engineering, and more. Regarding Seaborn, I'll just restate their own definition. Seaborn is a Python visualization library based on Matplotlib. It provides a high-level interface for drawing attractive statistical graphics. We will code in Matplotlib, but use the beauty and style Seaborn delivers. You'll quickly understand why. StatsModels is yet another package built on top of NumPy and SciPy, which also integrates with Pandas. We will mainly create regressions in StatsModels as they provide very good summaries, unmatched for educational purposes. Finally, scikit-learn. Scikit-learn, or sklearn, is one of the most widely used machine learning libraries. We will use StatsModels to create and discuss regressions, but we will also provide the relevant code in sklearn. Think about it in the following way. sklearn is the real deal, but StatsModels makes it easier to understand the real deal. The final sections of the course will be based predominantly on sklearn. All right, now it is time for the first example. Thanks for watching.